Welcome to another MSSC Tech Short. Today we will be showing how to import and place images in templates on the SmartJet 1 controller. For this tech short you will need a USB flash drive. Please prepare your USB flash drive with an image file saved in one of the following formats: JPEG, PNG, or BMP bitmap file. Please be sure that images placed onto the USB are not copied into any folders or subfolders. These images need to be at the top directory of the flash drive. After copying the files onto your USB, plug the USB into your SmartJet 1 controller's USB port. Now, tap your screen to open the designer. Once you are in the designer, please click the pencil and ruler icon to add an object to the layout. From the Objects menu, please select the icon marked Image. Now that you have selected Image, click anywhere in your layout to set the placeholder for the image and activate the Image pop-up menu. From the Image menu, use Static as the image type and click the three dots below Select Image to reveal the file navigator. The D drive represents the USB inserted into the controller, and you will need to click the folder to access the image files that were placed onto the flash drive. If you do not see your file or files, please be sure the images are not in any subfolder. Images are to remain in the top directory of the flash drive. Select your appropriate image by clicking on the corresponding check mark to proceed. Click OK to reveal your selected image in your layout. Move and adjust your image to the desired position. That's it. You have now imported and placed an image from the USB flash drive. The only thing left to do is save the layout. Once the layout is saved, you can remove the USB flash drive. Now the image will be part of the layout and it is saved onto your controller. Happy printing! From MSSC.